welcome back to the channel. Yeah. Here with John. What we doing today, bro?
Yeah, we're gonna go have a look at this Ninja 300. Brought a little change with me.
Yes, sir.
Brought a little change with me. Have a look at the ZX10 Ninja 300. I mean,
yes, sir,
I just got my motorcycle license last week.
Stop the cap.
He's capping. So he's going from an R6 to a ZX10. Pretty dope upgrade. So yeah, we'll see you guys there. Peace. What you think, mate? What you think?
No. So I did change the heater and the oil yesterday. I bought 2 of them at the time, so I have a spare one. Oh yeah, so you can take it out of there.
Dominic, aspetta un attimo. Dove vai?
Give it a rev, mate.
Huh?
Give it a rev. Woo. Hey, got a rookie over here, mate. Damn, that thing sounds amazing. Oh my goodness. Here it comes.
All right, John, what do we got going on today, mate?
Here we are here, man. You already know what time it is. See the Golf, feel me? Yes, sir, it's that time, man. So what we're doing right now, we're servicing it. So right now it's having a little misfire, so we're gonna try.
How about you tell us first of all, mate, what's the goal with this?
So the go right now, mate. So it's got a little misfire going on. So what we've decided to do is take out the coil packs and the spark plugs. So we're gonna replace that with new spark plugs as you see over there.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Yeah, we've had a misfire and we figured that it could be the coil packs, and it's got an engine light showing. So what it does is, as soon as you get on boost about past 4,000, it just, does this misfire. It sort of cuts boost. I'm also suspecting that it does have a boost leak somewhere. So, but at this stage, we're just gonna. The car is due for a service. It's got, it's blowing out a lot of soot. It just doesn't look like very healthy at the moment. So we're just gonna change the oil, do an engine flush, do the spark plugs, oil filter, and as we mentioned, as John mentioned, we're gonna do the spark coil packs as well. And then after that, we'll see if the engine light goes away. And if that works out great, that's good. We'll continue doing the service on everything else. And if the engine light and the misfire keeps going, I'm presuming that it's also a cut, the ECU doing a cut because we have a boost leak somewhere, because I keep hearing a hissing sound when you get on boost, but I can't tell whether it's the intake noise or a boost leak somewhere. So we're just gonna do that first because it needs to be done anyway. Do the service first because it needs to be done, then go from there.
Sir, so we're back again. We're now about to do the service on the car, the oil change. But before doing that, we're going to use this stuff called Penrite engine flush. I'm sure most of you guys know what this stuff is. Pretty much helps clean it up a bit more before putting in the fresh oil. Also going to change the oil filter. I believe the catch can is full, so I will be draining that as well. So yeah, let's get to it. Say what up, man. Joey.
What's up, man?
Say what's good.
It's good. I want to get it.
I got it. Bit of Penrite engine clean.
I wonder where's the Elsa.
What?
I wonder where's the Elsa.
The Elsa. Elsa, mate.
Elsa. Elsa.
Elsa, mate. Say missing Elsa.
Listen, Elsa.
Alright, so it's been 10 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna switch it off. And then we're gonna drain the oil and see what that looks like. But I'm honestly thinking we might need to do a second flush. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see anyway. Alright, so I'm now doing the second flush. And as you can see here, it's pretty identical. So this was the first oil change we did, and then we flushed out the second one. Got the oil filter out, about to put in the new one. And yeah, I'll probably do another flush after 1,000 Ks, to be honest, by the looks of it. Yeah, it's terrible. If I was wondering what oil I use, it's Penrite 5W30, full synthetic, of course. All right. You gonna tell the people what this stuff is, mate?
Heavy duty oil stabilizer for this old puppy, mate. You know,
That's what you want,
too
mate.
many K's on it.
Yeah.
After a flush it, I think it's, I don't know, mate. I think it's a bonus if you ask me.
What we have here, mate?
We've got some, I don't know what's going on here, but so these are the ones we pulled out, and they've got some sort of corrosion. I don't know if it's whether it's water, mud, or what, but these were bad. Like, they were worse than this. This one is the worst one. Look, you can see, look at it inside. It's got like almost rust, and yeah, this one was all right, so we're gonna save that one. And then we got the new one, so you can just compare the two. Like, it makes no sense, but we are hoping that, I mean, you can't even see inside of that, but this one, look at that, how clean that is. So that could definitely be causing a misfire, you know, just not very good contact, or it could even be you know, on its way out. So we're gonna put these in, go for a quick spin, and yeah, we'll get back and before we move on to the next stage of servicing the car. And we've got the spark plugs. I mean, look at these things. Not sure, you know, what's going on here, but these spark plugs are corroded up here as well. Like, it's almost like there's been water that was just sitting in there, and you know, this looks burnt out in there. You know, I'm really hoping that this is our problem, so we're gonna switch them out with new plugs and coil packs and see what happens.
You don't know how to make it flatter, huh?
I don't need to, right?
For the video, bro. Come on, man.
No, well, you're putting boost in it that doesn't need right now. Let's let it warm up and then we'll get you there. Don't worry.
Just say you don't know how to do it, mate.
Alright, I don't know how to do it.
There we
Happy?
go. There we go, mate.
Okay, bullet in
There we go, mate.
with boost. Just hope the car works, that's all. You're already spending enough.
Facts. Big facts.
Hope it's happier. Yeah, that's a good day. Yeah, it works.
Hey.
can finally fully enjoy the car now, eh? I think you got chopped by the Honda the other day, didn't you?
Nah, nigga.
Yes, you did, bro.
Way better, bro. What?
It was nice, huh?
Way better, bro.
Nah, they come out of nowhere in this street. Yeah, they come out of nowhere in this street. You don't wanna,
It's good, bro.
yeah.